Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I'm going to make another recipe for chicken wings honey. We are going to have honey glazed chicken wings. And here let me show you the simple ingredients. I have a piece of ginger. We just need a few slices. This could be enough. I have 3 stalks of a green onion. We just use the white part. To marinate the chicken wings, we add about 1 teaspoon of salt, white pepper powder, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, or you can use chicken stock. Here the ginger, green onion, now let's mix them together. So you can marinate this in refrigerator about a few hours if you have got time, or at least a half hour should be enough. And of course we need honey. We mix with 1 tablespoon of warm water. Stir it well. Now we're gonna marinate in the refrigerator. After 30 minutes marinating, I'm ready to cook. Just add a bit of oil. First we are going to brown our chicken wings. We are going to brown each set about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we flip to other side. And let's just fry about another 2 minutes. After another 2 minutes, we add our marinade, followed by about a half cup of water. Now we cover it. Turn the heat to medium heat. Cook over 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we open up and we turn the heat to the higher, so we let the liquid evaporate. It will take a few minutes. Looking good, smell even better, right? Add the honey. Stir it well. Now honey chicken wings are ready. Don't they look great? Let's open one here. It goes perfectly done. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.